Dr. Bhaskar Singam Shetty, sir. Welcome, sir.
Good evening, Honanda. Thanks ISSN committee for recognizing our research works, hard works, and thanks for promoting us for our future and getting more things in medical field and concerned departments. So I would like to tell one thing, like your objective should be smart, specific, measurable, reasonable, attainable, and time bound. So anyways, if you want to start any project, we'll be doing some pilot project and we'll be doing SWOT analysis for every project. So don't get disappointed if your research is not going to be appreciated by the people. See, I just want to tell something about my own life. After completion of my diploma in emergency medicine, I started my career in one small city. People never used to recognize me that I am intensivist, something like that. So I don't have any economical background, I don't have any background, family background. So I have started my life on my own. So market yourself. So my professor used to tell me, you need not to do extraordinary things, you do things, normal things extraordinarily. So I started doing that only. In my internship, after my internship, by the time I am doing my diploma in emergency medicine, I choose one thing, intubation. So I used to market myself. So first of all, no people used to call me for intubation. So I started doing marketing on my own by telling I could able to do it in one instance. If I could not able to do it in one instance, I will do it for free. Like that I started my career. Even though I could able to do it in one instance, I never used to do it because I want to do marketing on my own. So total city came to know that this fellow will come. Simply he can't do in one instance, he will do it for free. Like that I started marketing myself. So in China one proverb is there. If you hear, you will forget. If you see, you can recollect. If you do, you can do. So this is what I just want to tell to the research scholars. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.